This is the new GM Magnum XL from Tremec, and XL stands for extra long. This is a great replacement transmission for the 5th Gen Camaro 6060, the first generation Cadillac CTS-V, Pontiac GTO. All of those transmissions had a big linkage shifter set up in the back, and this eliminates that and gives you a positive shifter tail housing. So you don't have to worry about flexing or bind or anything like that in the back. Eliminates all of that linkage. This transmission is good for 700 foot-pounds of torque, 7,800 RPM shifting. It comes in either a 2.66 first gear, 2.97 first gear, and has a 0.63 overdrive. 5th and 6th are both overdrive. This is similar to the Ford Magnum XL, which we use for the late model Mustang. So this is a great 6060 replacement for your GM late model muscle car. It's also great if you have a application where you need a longer tail housing, maybe an import car LS swap or something like that. And we have white lightning shifters with all the offsets you need. We also have full hydraulics. We can upgrade this trans with rim polishing, upgraded synchronizers, or anything like that for high horsepower applications. So we have them in stock now. Just give us a call and we can get you set up. Thanks.